The ultimate guide to making the best fish and chips. Let's start by gathering all the ingredients we'll need to make the perfect fish and chips. You'll need fresh cod fillets, flour, baking powder, salt, and some large potatoes. Fresh parsley and lemon wedges will add a pop of flavor at the end. Now we're ready to season the fish. Lightly salt and pepper each cod fillet on both sides. This step ensures every bite of fish is well flavored and brings out the natural taste of the cod. Simple, yet essential. Next up, the batter. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour and a bit of baking powder. Crack an egg and whisk it in until the batter becomes thick and frothy. This will give our fish a light, airy crunch when fried. While the batter rests, let's prepare the chips. Slice the potatoes into thick wedges, keeping the skin on for extra crunch and flavor. Arrange them on a board, sprinkle with salt, and set them aside. These thick-cut chips are what make British-style fish and chips so special. Now, heat up some oil in a deep pan for frying. Coat each cod fillet in the batter, ensuring an even layer, then carefully lower it into the hot oil. You'll want to fry until the fish turns golden brown with a crispy texture. Patience here pays off with perfectly crispy fish. Once the fish is done, it's time for the chips. Fry the potato wedges in the hot oil, stirring occasionally to keep them from sticking together. Let them cook until they reach a golden, crispy finish. The aroma of these chips is simply irresistible. With everything cooked to perfection, it's time to plate. Place the golden fish and crispy chips on a rustic plate, add a dollop of tartar sauce, and garnish with a sprig of fresh parsley and lemon wedges on the side. This presentation is as traditional as it gets. And of course, a fish and chips meal isn't complete without a good dipping sauce. Serve a bowl of creamy tartar sauce for that classic tangy dip. Now you're ready to enjoy the best fish and chips experience, homemade with love. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Share your favorite dish or recipe in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.